In this video, I want to show you how to either pause or uninstall an app on Google Pixel. It's fairly simple to do. So in order to pause it, you just hold your finger down on for like 1 second, and then click Pause App, and that will make the app turn gray. Alright, and then if we want to uninstall it, we hold our finger down on it, and then we'll take it all the way to the recycle bin. That'll pop up. Alright, hold down, and then take it all the way to uninstall. Do you want to uninstall this app? Okay. And that's pretty much all you have to do. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure...
Let's just stop the package given just for a minute.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Say dope, Dave.
You're welcome, darling.
Dope. Say dope.
Did you open your package together?
Gotta hold it still. This is the plan. I'm gonna leave it on David for about 10 minutes. Whatever he does, I'm recording.
Really? So you need it?
Everything I got this Christmas. Now this is from David Lee.
I've got all the tacky looking